FYI, a complete Gmail guide for 2014. Gmail is a powerful email tool, but there are a few tricks that can make you a pro user. Here are a few tips. Tame your inbox with labels and filters. Organize your emails by creating labels for different categories, like work, personal, and newsletters. You can also set up filters to automatically move emails to specific labels based on the sender, subject line, or keywords. Master keyboard shortcuts. Learn a few basic keyboard shortcuts to save time, like C to compose a new email, R to reply, and K to archive. You can find a complete list of shortcuts in Gmail settings. Schedule emails for later. If you have an email that you don't want to send right away, you can schedule it to be sent at a later time. This is great for if you're working on a different time zone or want to make sure your email doesn't arrive at an inconvenient time. Undo send. Did you accidentally hit send on an email that you weren't ready to send yet? Gmail gives you a few seconds to undo your mistake. Just click on the undo send button that appears at the top of your screen. Use snooze. If you don't have time to deal with an email right away, you can snooze it. This will temporarily remove it from your inbox and bring it back up at a later time that you choose. Send money with Gmail. You can now send and receive money through Gmail using Google Pay. This is a quick and easy way to send money to friends and family. Use canned responses. If you find yourself typing the same thing over and over again, you can create a canned response. This is a pre-written email that you can insert with a single click. Follow up on emails. If you haven't heard back from someone within a few days, you can send a follow-up email. Gmail makes it easy to follow up on emails by adding a follow-up flag or reminder. Use stars for priority. You can star important emails to make them stand out in your inbox. You can also use different colors of stars to further prioritize your emails. Enable offline access. You can access your Gmail even when you're offline. Just enable offline access in Gmail settings. This will download a copy of your most important emails to your device. By following these tips, you can become a Gmail pro and save yourself time and effort.